Basically, what this is they call these stairs. And you see how they're not level? They're like, one's lower and then another one's higher. See, watch what happens. You put your foot there and you push up and then boom. And it actually, if you walk, it's to take you to a higher elevation. Pretty genius, pretty genius. My family, forefathers invented stairs, and that's what we're known for. If you look it up, Google it, yeah, who invented stairs, you'll see it's Scott's Journeys family, yep. See this little walkway, deck, whatever you want to call it? This is the spot where I took one of my favorite drone shots. And you know, it wasn't even like a high aerial shot or anything like that. What I did is I brought the drone down low to the ground, right back here, like right in here. And I snapped a picture of myself standing back over there at the end of the dock. I'll insert a copy of the picture right here. I don't know, I just love that shot. So this morning, I'm out here at a place called Herman's Beach. Herman's Beach Access. It's one of the many beach accesses along this road, whatever it is, A1A, on Hutchinson Island. And yeah, I think we're gonna film an episode to help me find my best drone shot. Yeah, gives me a reason to go fly the drone. In the last episode to help me find my best drone shot, I spotlighted 3 shots from Tradition in Port St. Lucie, Florida. Melly Playful said, "I'm torn between shot 1 and 3. I'll pick 1. Thanks so much for voting, Melly." Gaza Performance Garage said, "Hey Scott, love your content. Love my hometown. I gotta go for shot 2. Thanks so much for voting." And Girly Vlogs said, "Wow, the last one, Mr. Scott. Please do a shout out for me, please." So this is a shout out to Girly Vlogs. Check out her channel. I'm gonna put the links to all three of these channels in the comments. Check them out. And the winner was shot number 1. All the shots got a lot of votes. For a few minutes when I was counting them up, I thought it was gonna be tied. But shot 1 won out, and I want to thank everyone that made a comment, and thank you most of all for everyone that voted. So here's how it works. I'm going to put the drone up. I'm going to get 3 shots. They may be videos. I don't know. If it's a scenic morning, maybe I'll do a picture. Maybe I'll spotlight a picture. But we'll see. But anyway, I'm going to spotlight 3 shots in this video. Vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Help me find my best drone shot. All right, so I didn't fly the drone for that long, but I think I got enough to get 3 shots. So vote for your favorite shot in the comments. Thanks so much for everyone that watched. Remember, I am highlighting comments, so if you see a drone shot that you liked in this video and you make a comment, there's a good chance I can mention you in the next video. Hey, I hope you have a wonderful day. My name is Scott, and I will see you in the next video. See that right there? I don't know if you can see that. See that flying right there? That's a monarch butterfly. My family invented the monarch butterfly. Back in the late 1800s, they wanted a prettier butterfly, and we bred 4 different breeds. I was there, and that's how we got the monarch butterfly.
Is that why you're so old?
Exactly.